In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull out your 5.3 meter rollout awning on your Forte SR22 Club. First thing you're going to need to do is grab this bar out of your front box. It'll assist you on pulling down the strap later on. First thing you need to do is come through and undo your side bar nuts on either side. I've already done the one on the front. Undo these two red safety travel latches. This is where this bar comes in handy. This little red tab on the top here. I'm going to pull this down to open. I can reach that one. I'll just demonstrate that for you. I'm going to take this bar again, using the hook end, grab a hold of the strap, start pulling out. Once you can grab it with your hand, just pull it all the way out, nice and slow, making sure it comes out evenly. You're going to duck underneath so you're on the bottom side of this. Taking your two bars here, I'm going to lift them all the way up so that they latch in. There is one of these on either side. Making sure they lock in on the red locking tabs. Going to come down to the rear of the van here, lifting up this red handle, supporting the awning leg itself, lifting all the way up, making sure that it doesn't over travel and come out of its track. You repeat the process at the front of the van, ensuring you support the legs so that they don't fall down. Once they're in place, come down to the back of the van. If you're not tall like me, get yourself a little step ladder, pulling down slightly on the leg and tightening up your side support bars. Repeating the process at the front to take the slack out of your awning, pulling down slightly and tightening up your side support bar, wing nuts. Push these little red safety tabs out of the way so they don't hit anybody in the face. I'm going to show you how to pack up your 5.3 meter rollout awning on your Forte SR caravan. I'm going to come up to your riser bar here, just undoing it. Coming around to the front of the awning, there is a safety catch. I'm going to bring this down. Remembering to remove your travel latch out of the way. Bring it all the way down to where it stops. I'm going to go over to the other side of the awning now and repeat the process. Much the same as the front. Take this red handle, supporting the awning so that it doesn't fall down, lifting it all the way up, ensuring it doesn't drop, lowering it down slowly. Take this pull strap. I like to make sure that it's in the middle of the awning, so when you pull it out, you're not just pulling from one side, you're actually pulling from the center. So I'm just going to run this back to the middle now. Just going to apply a slight amount of pressure so that I can release the red safety catch. Then letting this awning roll up slightly. I'm going to come back to the middle, holding onto the strap, letting it travel up slowly before letting it rest into place. With these awnings, to make sure that you come through, push them in and push back the red safety travel catch on the forward and rear. That way you know your awning isn't going to come out while you're driving. And that is how you set up your 5.3 meter rollout awning on your Forte SR22 caravan.